It seems that our generation has a bit of a legacy problem. And that problem that we're having to deal with is a product that was produced liberally in the 1960s and is now pretty much involved in all of our daily lives. Plastic. It's not easy to get away from plastic. Plastic is pretty much in everything we use. And plastics have been designed to be incredibly long-living, long in existence. They don't break down, they don't rot. And this is a huge issue when they end up in places that they're not really supposed to be. And the first place that I think of is the marine environment. We have in the Pacific a massive swirling gyre of plastic waste that is not breaking down. We have on our beaches, in some of our most remote and pristine natural environments, beaches filled with plastic. We have seabirds that are starving to death, feeding their chicks plastic. You can see all of this imagery on the internet very quickly and easily. And there are more and more pieces of video footage across the world, including that one of that little seahorse holding onto that Q-tip. Plastic is everywhere in the marine environment and we've got to do something about it. So, what's the first thing you do when you have a problem? Well, you actually have to work out what your problem is, what the scale of it is, where there are potential easy open goals to start actually attacking this problem and finding a decent solution. Drones are very good at doing very high resolution data capture on quite large spaces. So if, for example, you wanted to work out how much plastic waste was on your local beach, a drone survey is a really good way to map that out. And that's exactly what's happening across the world. People are using drones to look for things like ghost nets, which kill turtles, for example, and also plastic waste on beaches so they can go and collect it and pick it in a really efficient, time-effective manner. That great big swirling gyre of plastic waste that we have in the Pacific, we already have drone ships, drone boats, drone vessels that are going out there to try and capture that plastic waste out of the ocean so that it doesn't kill our marine fauna. So, drones and ocean plastic waste. Who would have thought there could be a connection? But don't forget, drones don't just fly and take photography over land. They can fly over the coastal areas, they can fly over marine areas. And when you've got autonomous or automated or pilotless boats or vessels out there collecting waste, that's a drone as well. So, for every wicked problem, there can be an innovative solution. And this innovative solution is called drones.